Hello everyone. I welcome you all to this channel, Give Thy Ear. In today's video, we shall look at a few verses and try and see how Bible is the hidden treasure. It's high time that we speculate, think and act because our life here on earth is short-lived but very precious. The word of God says that seek and ye shall find, knock and it shall be opened for you. Now, why does the word of God say seek? For seeking, one needs to have hunger. Let me take an example of your favorite dish. No matter how much you relish that dish, if you are not hungry, you would not really want to eat that dish. No amount of persuasions would get you to dig into that dish and eat that first bite of it. On the other hand, if you are hungry, you would look for preparing any dish whatsoever. You would gather all the ingredients, even if the bare minimum, so that you can somehow satisfy your hunger. Similarly, the Word of God emphasizes on the soul being hungry. Only then one would dig deeper, would uh, relish on the Word of God. And secondly, we see how the Word of God is a hidden treasure. It is not out there in the open for everyone. One has to find, one has to look for, one has to search for this treasure which is hidden. The Word of God also says that he who has ears to hear, let him hear. Now, why does the Word of God say this? This is because the Word of God is hidden from the wise and prudent, but has been revealed unto babes. Now, why is it hidden? It is hidden because of the ungodliness and unrighteousness of men. We must not judge God by mere ignorance, and it does not mean that He is partial. It simply means that it is hidden in the first place because we enjoy darkness and want to live in it. We don't want to believe the works He did for us. The Word of God can work as both ways. If we don't want to know the truth, the same thing can work as a stone of stumbling and a rock of offense. But on the contrary, if we submit ourselves to the Word of God, then Christ can give us a life which is eternal. If we are not in the truth, then it is most certain that we will be deceived by the prevailing lies. That's why the Word of God clearly says, whosoever readeth, let him understand. We must also understand the criteria for knowing the truth. John 7 verse 17 clearly says, if anyone is willing to do his will, he will know whether the teaching is of God or whether I speak on my own accord and by my own authority. With this thought, I leave you all to ponder over the verses. Let us not be deceived by the prevailing lies. Let us search for the truth.